Checking out this new knife from Mossy Oak. This one is the 8.5-inch fixed blade. It comes with a Kydex sheath. Let's open it up here. Take a look at it. Very little packaging. I really like that. Got the Kydex with a really nice clip on the back. So you can either feed a belt through this, or you can push that, open it up, and put it onto some equipment. Pull that open, you get a nice looking knife with a great grind, kind of a spear point, not too thick. There's a lanyard loop at the back. We've got some G10 textured there in two tones with green on the handle. Really nice looking two-tone knife. This one is from Mossy Oak. We'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.